This site is providing free courses that cost 0 rupees or $0. So udemy.com is providing well furnished courses for free. Not all, but some. So let's see what is free in this website. So here you can see the category like design, marketing, lifestyle, photography, and health, fitness, music, teaching, academics. So let's click on the developments. Okay, so here are the some development courses, but you can see that there is some fees. Okay, you can see the price 432, 426, and others. So we are actually searching for free courses. Let's filter, let's apply the filter. So here you can see that 1972 courses are free, but 10,000 courses are paid. So we need free courses. Let's click on the free. So actually I think network is not good. On applying the filter for free, you can see the development courses like Java tutorial for complete beginners. You can see 74 lectures are there inside this course. 74 lectures, 16 total hours, all levels like a beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. So let's continue. Introduction to Python programming, C++, complete tutorial for beginners. Become an Android developer for scratch. From scratch. HTML, CSS for beginners. Build website and launch online. Web design for the web developments and build beautiful websites. Code your first game, an arcade classic in JavaScript in Canvas. JavaScript Essentials, 39 lectures, 29 lectures, and all other. There are so many free courses that will cost huge amount. Huge amount. In fact, it can be 1 lakh or 2 lakh or something $100 or $200 and above. So you can see there are 124 pages. So let's jump to the fourth page directly. Okay, this is oriented DB, getting started, CNC programming, JavaScript fundamentals. So there are lot of courses for free. You can learn. I mean there's a great opportunity to learn and grow. So you can see there is learn Android 4.0 programming in Java, 96 lectures for 15.5 total hours, all level. Okay, you can see you can not download any course, but you can learn from here because these are free for this time. Now you need to enroll in it now. Okay, so you can see the Python basics boot camp. I love Python. So let's enter into this course and I will show you that how to apply for these courses. So I'm going to enter in the Python bootcamp basics. Actually the network is not very well here. You can see this is Python bootcamp. By watching this video you can see the preview of this course, and you can also know the course content in clicking this course content text. So here you can also see there's 17 lectures, 3 sections, and all the information is provided. Okay, basic section and all other. What are the free courses mean? You can see paid courses has these and free courses has online video content. No certification of completion. It means you are not provided with a certificate after you complete the course, but there is an opportunity to learn. Okay, if you are taking this course only for the certificate, then don't spend any amount of money in it. I'm talking about only learning, not about anything. Here you can see the courses costing 432 and 436. So let's enroll. Here you can see the free button. Just 1 minute. Now you can see the free button. So let's enroll now. click on the enroll button. Then you will see this type of interface. Okay, great choice, Sumit. Actually, this is my name. So your progress start course, and because you are enrolled in Python Basics Bootcamp, so these courses are in recommendation. So we don't need a paid course because we are searching for a free course. So let's click on the start course. I clicked on the start course button, and what is this? Welcome to Python Basics Bootcamp. Python is a very cool programming language. Okay, you can choose getting started. How familiar are you with the topic of this course? Comfortable, advanced, some familiarity or related knowledge, no prior knowledge. You can select according to your knowledge and experience. I'm selecting comfortable and advanced. Okay, professional reason or personal interest. What is the reason why you are purchasing this course? Okay, so for personal interest, are you learning to get better in existing hobby, explore the new interest, and whatever you think, just click explore a new interest. How will you use what you learn from this course? Okay, teaching. I'm typing teaching. You can type whatever you want. So this is the course content. You can see the introduction, installation, variable concatenation, math operators. I have learned these previously. Okay, starting with functions and finishing touches. Okay, there is a lot of videos which you can watch to learn and grow. So I've told you that there is a 11 to 17 video lectures are there. So these are not too lengthy. As you can see there are 2 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, 6 minutes maximum. Okay, and now I'm going to play this video. I'm playing this video in 2x speed. If you can listen that Karthik is a very professional programmer. He is doing programming for his personal interest. And in these videos you can learn also that how to install this Python. I mean how to install the Python application on your desktop. Okay. For now, thanks for watching. But one thing I want to tell you that you are required to sign up when you enter on this website. So first of all, sign up, then you can proceed as I told you before. So let's leave this website. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, you can like, and if you have any problem regarding the content of these videos or any query, you can comment in the comment section, and don't forget to check the description. And if you're new here, consider subscribing so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching.